For snorers, is there no hope at all? Whenever they sleep, should others around them get annoyed? Is this an incurable condition?
To get rid of snoring in just 7 days, use VIP Snore Care Oil prepared from natural herbs.
Press twice or thrice like this. Take 3 to 4 ml. Apply on your head, on your neck, near ears. This will, in 1 week, just 7 days, will totally control your snore.
Use VIP Snore Care Oil every day.